Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box, and there are a few different tiers. You can get their base box, which is just Boxycharm base box. You can get the premium, and then you can get Boxy Luxe. And Boxycharm will cost you, well, the base box for Boxycharm will cost you $25 American, and for me, because I'm Canadian and I have to pay all the duties and I have to pay shipping, so it cost me $40.58 this month. With this base box, you'll get 5 full-size products. I did not qualify for premium box, so I can't exactly tell you how much the premium box cost because I didn't qualify for it. I guess I didn't make it off the wait list. Hopefully I will next month, let's see. But that's $35 American. So if I make it off the wait list next month, I will share that with you. Oh, actually next month is also Boxy Luxe month, so we can do a fun video for Boxy Luxe. Anyways, so let's get into today's unboxing video for November 2019, and today is November the 8th, and I just received my box, and I had plans to do a different video, and then Canada Post came with my Boxycharm, so I was like, hi, I guess I'm double videoing it today. Is that a word? Videoing? It is now. Okay, so I didn't do a Boxycharm video last month for October because literally I was pretty underwhelmed by my Boxycharm. I mean, I really liked the eyeshadow palette, but I was pretty underwhelmed by Boxycharm last month. So I was like, I'm not going to be a negative Nancy, so I will just not do a video on it. Just because, not that the products in the box were terrible products, they're just products that I just wasn't excited about, so I skipped out on that. So anyways, let's get into this month's box. So the box is supposed to be bigger. I mean, like, yeah, it's wider, but I feel like it's not as thick. I could be wrong. Like, I am not a veteran when it comes to Boxycharm. I'm rather new. So, I mean, I have the sticker here. I'm just going to use my handy dandy tweezers to open her. Okay, guys, I'm definitely not going to try on all these products because I feel like that sometimes takes forever, and I'm not the best at editing. Let's just admit that. Okay, so we always get a card, of course, and Boxycharm Stellar is the theme for this month's box, and I have variation 22 with a heart. And for those of you who are interested, I do get questions asking me the dimensions of my box. So it is 23 by 18 by 8 centimeters, and the weight of my box is 0.62 kilograms. All right, so here's a box of goodies for this month. Okay. Okay. All right, so I have a little tester here because Boxycharm is going to start introducing complexion products, foundations, and concealers to their boxes. So I actually got a little tester here. Actually, there's quite a bit of product in here. Anyways, I got it for the Undercover Lightweight Concealer by Pretty Vulgar. I guess I have to test these out and figure out which one of these shades are best for me, and somehow I guess maybe I have to go online and answer a survey, or maybe they'll send it to me in email. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to express that information to them or get that information across to them. I'm assuming it's going to be some type of survey or email when I log into my my account. I'll find the prices to all of these products, and I will leave it at the end of the video to let you know what everything cost and what the value of the box was. Okay, so the first thing in my box I know that I'm gonna get because I actually chose it, and it is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Now, I am very paranoid about getting wrinkles on my eyes, guys. Like, nothing ages you like wrinkles on your eyes. It totally gives away your age, and I've always been super careful about touching it, rubbing my eyes, and sleeping on my face and all these things, just because, like, I don't want to get eye wrinkles. It's formulated with organic ingredients. Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. So just a little bit what it says. It says it's a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into certified organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices. Works to reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines around the eyes for lasting advanced age-defy results. So I am super excited about that. You get 15 mils in here, which is quite a bit of product for the eye. And innovative. So I guess you pump here and then you apply to the eye like this, which is really good because you don't have to like dig your fingers into a product or into a jar and get like it contaminated. I'm assuming it has this type of applicator because the light may affect it. So I'm assuming that this is why it's in this tube like this, is because it wants to eliminate exposure to oxygen. I'm just assuming that. I am no chemist by any means. It's just an assumption. But I am really, really excited to use this. I don't have an eye product that I'm using right now. I have ones that I haven't used, but I'm not using one currently other than my caffeine from The Ordinary. But excited about that one. I choose that one. I am happy about that. The other variation for this Juice Beauty eye cream was this Caprice antioxidant dew quench and glow serum, and I already have this product, so it was okay that I got that one. I actually got this in an add-on, so I was so happy that I got the opportunity to try both of them. Like, I can get one in my box and then I can add the other as an add-on. Like, I thought that was really great, so I didn't have to miss out on either of them because I do think that they will both be great products. The next one I kind of knew I was getting. Just I had a feeling I was gonna get this. It's the Dose of Colors lipstick. And I think there were 4 different colors that you could get in this, and this is actually the one I wanted, Date Night, and I'm so happy that I got this because I don't have many colors like this, and this raspberry type red color is what I was really hoping to get. I have enough nudes in my life, so I really, really was hoping that if I was to get the lipstick, then I would get this shade. So yes, for that. So I did get this shade. It's a very, very, very nice formula. So I am happy that I got that, and it has no fragrance. I don't know why I smell everything. I just do. So I'm happy I got that. I think that the highlighter, the Becca highlighter, was like the alternative. I think, I could be wrong, but I probably would have fathered the highlighter over the lipstick. But given that I got the lipstick, I'm happy it's that one. Okay, so the other product that we got in our box is an eyeshadow palette. Like, I love getting eyeshadow palettes in my Boxycharm because eyeshadow palettes are literally my first love in makeup. Like, I love eyeshadow palettes. And so this Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics, it is beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, like, literally I knew this was going to be nice just because I saw the pictures online, and this I don't know if this is even going to look how it looks in person. Like, oh my goodness, I don't know if you could see this or not, but this little baby is actually so beautiful. Like, I am so happy with this. Like, Eternal Light and Mystic Eyes, like eternal light, Mystic Eyes, oh my gosh, Black Matter, like Zero Gravity, even this here, Lunar Eclipse. Like, this palette speaks to me. Like, I love this palette. Like, this color, Eternal Eyes, I just want to swatch a few of these colors. That green blue, like one of my favorite eyeshadow colors, though I don't tend to wear it a lot. They're kind of powdery. That blue one, the Mystic Ice, is kind of powdery. Anyways, this one feels a little bit powdery, but I'm sure it's going to work like a dream. I will definitely update you in a future video if you like what I think about this eyeshadow palette, but like, this is so beautiful. Okay, so the next product in my box, a holographic stick. It's by Milk Makeup, and it is multi-use illuminating stick instantly melts into your skin using melt technology. Holographic petals provide a prismatic finish infused with mango butter and peach nectar, avocado oil, and meteorite dust. Meteorite dust? That can't be for real. Like, am I reading that wrong? Meteorite dust? Anyways, directions: apply to cheeks, bones, lips, and eyes. It can be used to bare skin or over makeup. Like, I'm not even gonna open this, guys, because it's not my vibe. Like, it has a beautiful, you can't even tell it, the color is called Supernova, and it's just not my vibe. It's not the kind of product that I go to. I'm not a big cream product person in general, so I'm not happy about this. Like, it's a meh product for me, so I might just pass that on to someone who I think might love it. And the last one in my box, a Cosmetic Sponge by Illuminati. Simply wet, squeeze, and bounce your way to a streak-free makeup perfection. Streak-free makeup perfection. Okay. It's a cosmetic sponge. And another product that I'm not very excited about. Like, I have tons of these in my life, and literally this feels really hard. Like, it feels like a sponge from the dollar store. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna go wet it and see if it changes. Okay, guys, so I wet the sponge. I think like tripled or quadrupled in size. It's huge right now, like in the palm of my hand. Like, it's pretty big. It is bouncy. It feels like it's like a memory foam. It feels like a memory foam. I don't know if I'm gonna love this sponge. I'll have to try it to find out. I'll let you guys know how this performs. But it's rather firm microfoam, like a microfoam mattress. That's what this feels like. Microfoam? Oh, like memory foam. It feels like memory foam microfoam. It feels like a memory foam sponge. That's what it feels like in your shoe or on your mattress. Anyways, it's a meh product for me. So out of the 5 products, I'm happy with 3 of them. I would have rather to get a highlighter and some eyelashes as opposed to the sponge and the holographic milk product, which I could like, but I'm just not going to try because I don't want to try it. Does that make sense? So I am definitely happy with the 3 products. They were definitely worth $40. The eye cream alone was worth more than what I paid for the box. So the Juice Beauty eye product retails for $65 at my local Sephora. The Milk Makeup Holographic Stick in Supernova, I couldn't find a full-size one on my Sephora website. I kept giving me minis. The minis are $20, and this is a full size, so I can imagine it being between like $34 and $40, which is what the rest of their stick-type products retail for. The Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick retails for $18 US, so I want to say it'll be about $22, $23 Canadian. The Illuminati Cosmetics Makeup Sponge retails for $21. When I looked it up on their website, it didn't tell me, because sometimes a lot of the websites I look up, they already convert it to Canadian dollars because my location's on, and it kind of just tells me what it cost in my currency where I'm currently located. So it says $21. I think that's American though. So that's a pretty pricey sponge. So that might be like 28 Canadian, I'm guessing. So I mean, hopefully it works well. It just feels kind of dense. Meh. And the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette is exclusive to Boxycharm, so it's $29 American. We technically pay $10 for every $30 that we spend, so this will be about $40 Canadian. So when I total all of the products up in my box, I get an approximate value of like $198. Just because the eye serum alone is $65, so I paid $40.58 for the box. Products are averaged around 198, so I think that is a great value. Give it, you like all of them, or if you like a few of them, I think that it is so worth it. Anyways guys, so that's it for my Boxycharm video. I'm sorry I'm not like super excited, because you know what, I'm true to my feelings. I like the things that I like. I'm not going to pretend to love everything in the box just for the sake of loving everything in the box. I'm going to love the products that I'm excited about, and that's just me. I'm going to be truthful. So yes, I love 3 out of the 5 products. Not bad. Thank you for joining me and watching my video today, guys. If you like me and you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys.